Hi friends, Namaste. I am Dr. Surya Kant, Professor and Head Department of Respiratory Medicine at King George's Medical University, Lucknow. I am also looking after the Task Force for Tuberculosis Elimination work of 8 states of India, that is Leh, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Himachal, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. So I am really deeply concerned with the elimination of tuberculosis. And I have also delivered my lecture on 14th of April on elimination of TB, the adversities and way forward. So coming to the very ambitious goal of our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji for elimination of TB from this country, that is popularly known as NTB by 2025. On 13th March 2018, in presence of Director General of WHO, Prime Minister announced that India will have the target for elimination of TB by 2025. Elimination doesn't mean that there will be no case after 2025. Elimination means that the population should have the incidence of 1 or less than per 10 lakh population of tuberculosis. For this TB elimination ambitions goal, there are a lot of adversities. And I would summarize into very precise points that number one adversity is the malnutrition in this country. Malnourished children or malnourished people, they have higher chances for developing tuberculosis. So it's a big challenge, it's a big adversity. Number two, air pollution also a big challenge and adversity. Number three, smoking and other addictions, they are also big adversities because the smokers have 2.5 times odds for developing tuberculosis, means tuberculosis is 2.5 times higher in patients, in those who are smokers. Similarly, for the females who are marrying early and of course giving children early, conceiving early, and they are having more children with less spaces in the children. So multiple frequent pregnancies or early pregnancies, they are the risk factor for the females as they don't have the immunity in between the pregnancies, and that's why they are more vulnerable for tuberculosis. Similarly, those who are living in the poor sanitation area, congested area, so population, congestion, the slum areas, the congested areas, they are also people who are having higher risk for developing tuberculosis. Similarly, the proper lack of light and lack of proper ventilation, including the Parda Pratha in this country, especially in Rajasthan, more prevalent Parda Pratha. So this is also a risk factor for developing tuberculosis. As you know that 5 minutes of sunlight exposure can kill all tuberculous bacilli, including the drug resistant bacilli. And similarly, the most important thing is the COVID last 2 years, this has challenged to each and every disease in this country, including tuberculosis. So notification of the TB has gone down, the mortality has gone up. So what is the real challenge now and way forward? Prime Minister actually taking interest in TB elimination very sincerely, and that's why on 13th of March 2018 he announced the TB elimination by 2025, and 1st April onward there are a lot of changes which have been made in the TB elimination program. The first and foremost is the strengthening of TB notification. Now every doctor, whosoever the specialty, maybe surgeon, maybe gynecologist, maybe pediatrician, maybe orthopedic surgeon or physician, all pulmonologist, everybody has to notify the tuberculosis on Nikshay portal. That is mandatory, and if you are failing in that, you can be punished by the financial punishment or even jail for 6 months to 2 years. That is punishable act under IPC 269-217. The second important way forward is the nutritional support program for the TB patients. Now every TB patient in this country is getting free investigation, free treatment, whether it is sensitive TB or drug resistant TB, and also getting 500 rupees per month as a nutritional support in his bank account as a DBT, direct benefit transfer. So that is the very important scheme for the TB patient, and also there is a scheme for the incentive scheme for the private doctors. So all private doctors are requested to get involved in TB elimination program, register their patient on Nikshay portal and get the incentive also for 1000 rupees for sensitive TB and 5000 rupees for drug resistant TB. And not only the doctors, the media, the everything from Pradhan to Pradhan Mantri, all public representatives and Dharm Guru, religious leader, everyone has to be involved for TB elimination in this country. Namaskar.